action! Stand by. 3, 2, 1, action!
Stand by! 3, 2, 1, action! Bible verse. Memorization challenge. Day 264. Omega Did You Bible verse of the day. 2 Timoti 1:7 in King James Version. For God hath not given us the spirit of fear, but of power, and of love, and of a sound mind. 2 Timothy 1:7. Thanks be to God po. Share the love. Good day. Good job. Perfect.
Bible verse. Memorization challenge. Day 264. Omega Did You Bible verse of the day. 2 Timothy 1:7. In Pisin version, or in Papua New Guinea language, wanem, God inobin givim yumi, spirit bilong pret, tasol bilong pawa, na bilong laikim true, na bilong stretpela tingting. 2 Timothy 1:7. And in Tagalog version, ikalawang Timoteo 1:7. Sapagkat hindi tayo binigyan ng Diyos ng espiritu ng katakutan, kundi ng kapangyarihan, at ng pagibig, at ng kahusayan. Ikalawang Timoteo 1:7. King Jems, Pisin, Bible. Talk thank you, igulong God. Salamat sa Diyos. Thanks be to God. Share the love.
Good day.